Hi, Isabel here from Farm School, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some easy egg breakfast muffins. These include lots of different vegetables off the farm, and they're a great brekkie muffin, but they're also great for lunch boxes, lunches. You can pop them in the freezer when you don't have a use for them and bring them back out again when you need them. And a really great way to use up veg in the fridge that you're not sure what to do with. So first thing we need to do is pop our oven on. So I've got it on 180 fan forced. Then we need to grab a ramekin set tray. So we need to oil all of these. So I've got a little bit of olive oil here in this little bowl. So I'm just going to use my fingers. You can also use kale. So you can use kale and break the kale off and use them as lining instead of baking paper. But if you don't feel like doing that, just a little bit of olive oil inside with your fingers like this. Super, super easy. So we've lined our ramekins. So now we're going to take our capsicum, our broccoli, a couple of spring onions, and our herbs. So I've got some basil here, and I've got some curly leaf parsley, and we're going to finely slice all of those ones up. So I'll start with the capsicum. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're de-seeding it. So using a sharp knife, be really careful. So take out the core and slice it in half and then into quarters. And then taking out the white bits in the middle and making sure those seeds are flicked out as well. And then finally slicing these ones up. So we've just sliced up the capsicum, so we're going to pop that into the bowl. And you don't have to use a red one, you can use a green one or a yellow one. We'll take our broccoli, so we'll chop the base off the broccoli. And then we just want to, with our knife and our fingers, gently pull apart each floret. So I've used the knife to sort of break up the different little florets. So they're all going to go into the bowl. And the base of the broccoli, you can pop this in a stock or you can pop it in a soup, so it doesn't need to be tossed into the bin. There's always a use for most of our offcuts. So now we're going to take our spring onions, so we just need a couple of these. So I'll cut the bottoms off. Again, you can pop them in a stock or a soup. And we're just going to finely slice. So we've got like little rings. So we've popped our broccoli into the bowl and I've sliced up our spring onions, so they're going to go in there as well. And these are all going to go into a heated fry pan just for a few minutes just to soften them up so that they're all easy to cook in the muffins. So we've got our veg in the pan, it's all ready to go. Our next thing that we need to do is chop up our herbs. So I've got a little mix here of some curly leaf parsley and some basil. So we'll chop those ones up. And again, you can experiment with this one. It's a really flexible, adaptable recipe. So if you want to pop oregano in or some thyme, you can chuck them in as well. So I've chopped up our herbs. We're just going to leave them to the side for the moment. I've got 6 eggs here, so we'll crack those in to our bowl. Just being careful that we don't get any shells in there. So I've chopped up our herbs. I've got some grated cheddar cheese here as well. We're going to whisk our eggs. So I've cracked those ones into the bowl. So it's about 6 eggs, medium-sized ones. So we'll whisk those up. All right. Cool, and they're all whisked up, so now we'll just pop in our, get that one out, pop in our cheese, pop in our herbs. So I've popped our cheese, our herbs, our whisked egg into the bowl. I've got our veggies from the stove, so we'll pop those in as well. And then we'll just mix them all together. And we'll pop a little bit of milk in, so just a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna do that much. And then you want some cayenne pepper, so just a little bit, so about a pinch's worth. And then stir those ones in as well. So this is our batter all mixed up together, and we'll pop them into the tray now, ready for the oven. Beautiful, so we're filling our ramekins now. So we'll just do these last two. And then to finish them off, it's up to you, this is an optional step, but you can take a little bit of feta cheese and just garnish them on the top with a little bit of feta, just for a little bit of extra saltiness, because we didn't actually pop salt in these ones. So we've sprinkled our feta on the tops. They're all ready to go. We'll pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes and then they're ready to enjoy. So we're going to get our muffins out of the oven now. So I'll just head down these ones. They're looking pretty delicious. They smell really, really good. Pop this there. So just grab a spoon and just gently put them out like this. You can pop them on a board or a tray to cool. And they're all ready to eat, or you can freeze them if you need to freeze them. Eat them for breakfast, eat them for an afternoon snack, or even lunch. Enjoy!